Hello. In fact, we are creating a new class of mobile devices and a new global communications ecosystem.
The core of the system is TreeTalk cloud infrastructure, working like the router for the voice channels and streams. Also, the system may include a variety of devices. The terminals, the design of which is developed and patented based on customer feedback, the multiple-purpose digital intercoms, the handheld communicator similar to walkie-talkie, embeddable voice communication module for elevator, vending machine, ATM, self-service kiosk, as well for the unmanned vehicle and delivery robot, the control software which is based on our protocols and technologies, mobile apps for instant voice calls in groups, and the user web front end for combining devices and apps into dedicated channels.
It's a pretty complex system for us to build. However, our end users will enjoy devices in a familiar form factor.
Just push one button and talk to an operator or to a whole team, depending on your choice, instantly, avoiding connection time and delays.
So, welcome to the future of professional communications. Thank you.
TreeTalk Selector is made for effective collaboration. It allows you to communicate with any colleague in real time, using instant voice calls, text messages and file transfer, or address entire team or virtual class. The application is compatible with other TreeTalk products.
Hello, help me please. I'm stuck in an elevator.
Your message has been received.
This is TreeTalk Universal Communicator, device designed for two-way voice calls between remote objects, mobile hospitals, elevators, unmanned vehicles, and so on.
Operator, wrong sort of pizza here again.
These robots are always confused. No problem, we will deliver what you want in a couple of minutes.
Welcome to the future of professional communications.